Okay, good day, guys. It's Promise Sebastian here once again. Okay, I've gotten a lot of messages and plead that I should do a video on how to do this neomorphism. It's a concept to try to create, that abstract graphics that try to visualize reality. You see that in shadows and rest graphics that doesn't just work with only shapes and the rest. They actually uh, makes creative acts that brings reality into them, or nature, will I put it that way. Okay, so I will drop a video of how to properly do it. You might have done it or any, but it's still okay. You can still learn some other new stuff from this one or from the way I created mine. Your own might have taken you time. My own may have not taken me enough time, so it's still okay. You watch and learn. Okay, so this is it. This is the design. Let me remove it and start a new one. I will be fast about it, so don't get bothered. I'll be fast about it, but I'll still be talking along. Okay, so I've removed it. First of all, you get your shape. You change this color. Look at the color you're going. If you're using pixellab, let me give you the color you're going. But if you're not using pixellab, you can use. Sorry guys, I'm having kata. You can use the first step of white. That is the last step of. Is it first step of gray? This is the lightest gray, apart from white. So they have different gradations. Let me change color. Okay, so this is it. This is where it was arranged. Okay, so I think this is second to last. This is the let's say third, and this is the lightest gray, apart from white. I've forgotten. Wait, let me check the color code. I will bring out the color code. So even though we are not using pixellab, you can just go and copy the color code. Let me check the color code now. Let me change the color code. Okay, look at it. F5, F5, F5. So that's the color code. You can copy it and go and use it for yours, in case you are not using pixellab or maybe a PC designer. So this is the color we use. F5, F5, F5. That's the color code. Then you get your shape. Let me get a shape. I will do the one of square. I might not. Okay, I'll still do the one of circle. You change your color back to the same color. Okay, so this is it. Let me keep this guy at the center. Let me make him relative to the center. Okay, so we have what we need now. Then where the work starts is in the shadow aspect. You add your shadow. You increase blur radius of your shadow. If you watch, I use shadows a lot, and my shadows look sweet. If you observe, it's due to I use light shadows, soft shadows, not dark shadows. Okay, so and blur radius, I increase it very much well. So if you increase your blur radius well, you'll be getting nice shadows. Always increase your blur radius if you're adding shadow. So I've increased the blur radius. Let me offset while maybe let me just say 15. You can offset 15, 20, depending on how you want your own to come out well. Okay, I've offsetted 15x and 15y. You offset both sides to get something nice. Then you go to these colors, light colors again, to change the color of your shadow. I think this one is not visible. This is not okay. What of this? Okay, this is not okay too. So let's use this. I think this guy is okay now. I think it's okay. Then once you've gotten it, you just go to the shape and lock it so you don't move it. Let me lock this one too. So you don't move it. Then you touch on it. If you are using pixellab, well, you know what I'm doing. If you are using PC, so you know how you can do it. So you copy, and you can use relative position. Since it's related to the center, it's relative to the center. Sorry. If I use this one relative to the center again, it will automatically align perfectly instead of me trying to shift and get whatever shape. Then these two shape again now. but this time around you change the part of your shadow. Then there's another thing. You have to add a color inside to make it look realistic. You add inner shadow to this one. Now you add inner shadow to this last one, not the first one at the back, the last one. You add inner shadow and change the color of the inner shadow to white. This is where it looks realistic more than before. You see, this inner shadow gives it a realistic look. Okay, so if you don't add this inner shadow, you might still get something nice, but this inner shadow helps it look better. Okay, so let me get back to my shape. Then this time around, you offset negatively. You offsetted positively this time around, but this time we offset negatively. Let's get to the shadow. Okay, so I offset. It was positive 15. It was plus 15. I offsetted, or let's say 15, but this time around is minus 15. I offset in x, and in y also minus 15. Then minus 15 after the minus 15. Sorry, guys. I've gotten my offset minus 15. Then you change the shadow color to white, pure white. You see, it's simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. So with this pattern, I think you can do that of circle. You can do that of circle. It's very, very simple. Okay, let me just rush it and do that of circle too. It's same thing. You see it, it now looks nice. This is how it works. It's as simple as that. Let me do that of circle. I don't need to start talking about it any longer. You should know what it looks like. Then this is my circle. I make it relative to the center. It's not relative. I change the color to, where is my gray? Okay. I change the color to this, then go to shadows, add shadow, increase shadow, blur reduce 20, offset 15, right? Oh my god, 15. Then change blur color to this. Is You're gonna use this second one to the color, very light blurring, so you get something nice. Don't go and use thick blurring like this one. Don't use this one, it won't look better. Use very light blurring. Then I press my okay. I copy this guy again, copy him, make him relative to the center instead of me stressing myself. It's not exact. Then you or change the shadow position. This time around is negative 15. This is negative 15. Negative 15. Then you change shadow color. So this is it, as simple as that. Then you add to the shape, you add inner shadow. You add inner shadow to the one in the front. You can still add at the back anyway, but it's the important one is the front, so that it will be showing. If you add at the back, you will not see it. You add inner shadow to it. Inner shadow of 10. 10 blur reduce. Don't blur much. Then change your color to white. You see, you get something nicer. You see, it is simple as ABC. Then it has they have a one of inside. If you want to do that of inside, let me say I did this one now, it was outside. Let me say I'll get another circle shape, the one of inside. That one seems hard to some people also. You copy it, copy this guy, increase his size, using very well, relative. Then I think I'll take him to the back. Watch what I'm doing. I've taken it to the back now. Then in this time, you're not going to use outside shadow, you use inner shadow. Work on this one. This one is the last one I did. If you observe, you work with inner shadow this time. Then you add your inner shadow, you offset, let's say offset to 20. Okay, but I'm just increasing blood radius. Offset 15 and y 15. then the color, I go change it. Okay, this is the one of this is the one of inner, the one of inside. Then you have to do that of the down. This is where people get problem also. I also got the problem, but I actually maxed shadow to get it. But you can just look at what I did to get that of inner shadow. I copied this guy. I copied him, make him relative, and then add. This is better, I think. Okay, merge them together, getting this shape. You now erase color, erase the white color that is covering it, erase color and it's out. Then you change the color. Let's see whether the color will work. Okay, it's working. And we change it to white. You see, we've gotten something. We've gotten something. So this is how the other one works. This is it. You see it. It's simple. Go and try your own, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At there is no help you can offer to me rather than subscribing. I'm offering help to you already. That is, you can still pay me back by subscribing and still share, because awesome content like this is not only for you alone. It's also for your friends and others. Okay, so thanks for watching, and have a nice day.